Another hoax bomb threat was registered in the London to Ahmedabad flight. A letter was discovered by the local police authorities in the washroom of the flight, where it was written that the flight will be blown up in about 2 hours. Upon investigation and combing of the entire aircraft, it has been found that this note was a total hoax. However, this is not an isolated incident. On a flight which was from London to Ahmedabad, the flight received a hoax bomb threat. A letter was discovered by the local police authorities in the washroom of the said flight, where it was written that the flight will be blown up in about 2 hours. However, upon investigation and the combing of the aircraft, this was found to be completely untrue and an hoax. In a joint operation by Special Task Force and Bhojpur Police, a raid was conducted at a woman village head's residence in Bhojpur, from where an AK-47, 2 hand grenades, 4 magazines and 43 bullets have been recovered. Case has been registered against accused named Bhutan Chaudhary, and further questioning remains underway.
STF और भोजपुर पुलिस स्थानीय थाना उद्वंत नगर के द्वारा जो है संयुक्त कार्रवाई करते हुए मध्य रात्रि को बेलावर गांव जो कि है उसमें छापेमारी किया गया और गुप्त सूचना के आधार पर एक AK-47, 43 गोली और 4 मैगजीन और 2 ग्रेनेड बरामद किया गया है। इस संबंध में उपेंद्र चौधरी, जो कि पिता जोगेश्वर चौधरी बेलावर के रहने वाले, इसको गिरफ्तार किया गया है, और भूटन चौधरी जो इसके भाई हैं, इनको जो है नामजद अभियुक्त कराते हुए हम लोग माननीय न्यायालय में अग्रसारित करें।
The Enforcement Directorate has issued another notice to film producer Gokulam Gopalan, asking him to appear for questioning on the 22nd of April. While carrying out raids at premises linked to the film producer, ED recovered 1.5 crore rupees in cash. Union Minister Tokhan Sahu reiterated that Maoism will be eradicated by March next year, as ordered by Home Minister Amit Shah. He further commended country's jawans for carrying out the anti-Maoism drive very courageously. The Union Minister also informed that the upcoming railway line from Khairagarh to Parmalska will prove to be a milestone for the development in Chhattisgarh.
देखिए, माननीय गृह मंत्री जी ने कहा है कि 2026 मार्च तक के हमारे पूरे देश में नक्सल समस्या समाप्त हो जाएगा। छत्तीसगढ़ की जो नक्सली समस्या है, आपने देखा होगा कि हमारे जवान बहुत हिम्मत के साथ लड़ रहे हैं। बड़ा बड़ा ऑपरेशन हुआ है। अब छत्तीसगढ़ में भी नक्सली अंतिम सांसें गिन रहे हैं। नक्सली समस्या समाप्त निसंदेह होगा। ये हमारी सरकार की प्रतिबद्धता है। हमारे जवान वहाँ लड़ रहे हैं और बस्तर भी विकास की मुख्य धारे में जुड़ेंगे। सरकार की सारी योजनाओं का लाभ वहाँ की जनता को मिलेगा।
Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta inaugurated several development projects in her constituency, Shalimar Bagh, today. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta informed that through her new project, Delhiites will start getting water supply twice a day, which was earlier just limited to once in the morning. She reiterated the government's policy of zero tolerance towards corruption.